How to see sent follow requests on Instagram. Tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. At the top of your profile page, tap the three horizontal lines. Choose Settings and Privacy from the menu that pops up. Now tap on Account Center right at the top of the screen. Scroll down and look for your information and permissions, then tap it. Select Download your information. Tap on Download or Transfer information. Pick the option that says Some of your information. Scroll down again and under Connections, choose All. Tap Next at the bottom of the screen. Pick the option on the next page. Now choose the date range for the follow requests you want to check. Tap Save to confirm your selection. Pick the email address where you want to receive the download. Choose HTML as the file format and ignore the media quality option. Tap Create Files to request your data. After a little while, go back to the Download Your Information screen. Under Available Downloads, you'll see the file you requested. Tap Download and enter your password to continue. You'll be taken to a browser to actually download the file. Once that's done, go back to your phone's home screen and open the Files app. Find your downloaded file inside the Downloads folder. It'll be a zip file starting with the word Instagram and your username. Tap it to unzip the file into a new folder with the same name. Open that unzipped folder and go to the Connections section. Tap Followers and Following. Now open the file named Pending Follow Requests. If you've sent any requests, they'll be listed here, and that's how you check your sent follow requests on Instagram.